Good morning, students. A very warm welcome to all of you. Today, we are here to study one of the topic of the K10 segments, that is the circulatory system, that is the flow of blood in the body via our heart. So, in this topic, we will study the parts of the circulatory system in brief, and the structure of the heart in brief, and the structure of the blood vessels in the brief. And in the circulatory system, we'll study the entire detail how the flows from the body to the heart, then to the lungs, gets purified, and back to the body for the circulation. So the parts of the circulatory system includes the blood, the heart, and the blood vessels, which are the arteries, veins, and the capillaries. So in the heart, the oxygen rich blood and the oxygen poor blood is in the red colored and the blue colored respectively, which is on the right side and left side. The right side we contain the oxygen poor blood, which is of the blue colored, and on the oxygen rich blood, which is of the red colored, is on the left side of the heart. So the arrangement of the blood in this is so that the two types of blood never ever gets mixed up. So the heart, we come to the part known as the heart, which is of the size of the fist of our shape. This is like this, the fist size, and it is located on the center between the lungs and above the diaphragm. Now we come to the circulatory system process. So as I said, the size of the heart is of the size of the our fist, that is the hand fist, like this. This is the shape of the heart, and it is located between the lungs and above the diaphragm. So in this diagram, we are able to see the structure of the heart, which consists of four chambers: two upper chambers, which are known as the atrium or the auricles, and two lower chambers, which are the ventricles or the right ventricle and the left ventricle. And these two chambers are separated by the septum. The septum between the atrium is known as the intraatrial septum, and between the ventricle it is known as the intraventricular septum. And they are provided by the valves which prevent the backflow of the blood. That is, it provides the unidirectional flow, that is the blood flow in the one direction only. Now we will get to know about how the blood circulates over our body. How the blood the circulation system consists of mainly three types of system, which involves the cardiovascular system, the pulmonary system, and other systemic parts. First, the cardiovascular system consists of the heart, and the blood which is deoxygenated flows, that is the carbon dioxide containing the blood, flows from the whole the body via the veins to the right atrium, and from the right atrium it enters to the heart via the superior and inferior vena cava. Now from the here, the blood is the right ventricle via the bicuspid valve opening, and from here the blood is gone to the lungs. So I will show you the next slide, which is of the lungs. So here the carbon dioxide containing blood from the right ventricle of the heart is carried to the lungs. There the exchange of the gases takes place. The carbon dioxide is replaced with the oxygen, and now this oxygen rich blood is flowed from the lungs to the left atrium, and now this left atrium pumps the whole blood to the left ventricle via the opening of the mitral valve, that is the tricuspid valve. And then this left ventricle opens to the aorta, that is main big artery. It contains the oxygen rich entirely blood and flows through the aortic valve, and then to the whole of our body, every part, that is the systemic parts, via the arteries, veins, coronary, and portal vessels. As the blood enters the heart two times, one from the carbon dioxide containing blood, then to the lungs, then from the lungs to the heart. So two times we get our heart get the blood. So it is known as the double circulation, and it is a very complex circulation, I must say, tell you. So what are some functions of the circulation? Do you get to know? First is to maintain the blood supply to all the organs, and secondly is the transport of nutrients like oxygen, hormones, carbon dioxide to the various cells and organs. And third is the protection of our body from any new disease causing the microorganisms. So this is the overall human circulatory system. Thank you, students. A very much thank you to all. So children, this is the entire process which I have explained, and I am enclosing the entire presentation in this slide, and you can refer it for further details. So thank you. Any doubts, we'll clarify in the next topic. Okay, thanks.
ये चल ही रही है।